guys, in today's video I am sharing with you pool fashion for the everyday woman. During these hot summer months, I know a lot of families practically live at the pool, mine included. So if you are looking for something to wear over your suit other than your typical shorts and a tee, I have an entire lineup of outfits that are gonna give you some inspiration. These looks are fashionable enough to help you feel put together and even chic at the pool, but they are not going to make you feel uncomfortable or ridiculously overdressed. We have seen these people roll up into the pool like it is a fashion show. So you're not gonna look ridiculous, but you are certainly gonna feel chic and put together in what you are wearing. Now, before I dive into this, no pun intended. Okay, like maybe a little bit. If you are new, welcome. I am so happy to have you. I am a certified wardrobe stylist from New York City, and the sole purpose of my channel is to share styling tips with you. That is why I am here. So thank you for joining, and let's dip into this. This first look is what I have dubbed baby blue because obviously it's all baby blue. I love how this monochromatic look is very elegant, but also easy to pull off. I am wearing a muscle tank from H&M. It is $9.99. This style of tank is very current right now. I'm sure you have seen it around. And I have paired it with a $29 flowy skirt from H&M. I love this juxtaposition between hard and soft. It gives this look dimension and movement. Now, this look, in my opinion, is the perfect look for a pool party with friends. Maybe some friends you don't know super well because dang, it is chic. I also have these $10 matching sunnies from H&M. Y'all, H&M is crushing it with these looks. Also, none of these pieces are from the swim section of H&M. They're not actual cover-ups, and that's okay. They're just cute pieces that are gonna dry easily, and it's okay if you wear them throughout the day or to the pool. I actually have a friend who has this blue skirt, saw me wearing it at the pool, and dubbed me a genius, thank you very much, because she had never thought about wearing it as a cover-up. Why not? Don't be afraid to expand and cross over your clothes. If anything, it's just more bang for your buck. Sticking to this monochromatic look, I am pulling inspiration from the color of the year, which is Illumination, a lovely yellow. Starting at the top, I have the Island Hopper straw visor from Free People. I got it 2 summers ago and it is still going strong, y'all. They sell this one and so many other colors online for 34 bucks. Next, let's move on to this linen jumpsuit. It is $34.99 from H&M. I love the detail of smocking on top. This sewing technique is very on trend this season. I'm sure you've seen it. It just really helps to add texture and dimension and gives this rather basic linen jumpsuit a big fresh twist. As I'm sure you have already noticed, I want to mention how affordable all of these pieces are. Now, of course, you could spend a lot of money on resort wear and pool attire, and if you want to, do it. Go ahead. But the point of this video is to prove that you don't have to spend a lot of money to look chic, to feel put together, and to feel comfortable at the pool. As a matter of fact, no single piece that I am sharing today is over $35. All right, I know, good news. Let's get in to look number 3. What kind of stylist would I be without serving up a nautical themed pool option? I am a girl who loves her themes. So here we go. I've got this blue and white striped swimsuit from H&M paired with these white linen shorts, also from H&M. First, let's talk about the suit. Who has tried a swimsuit from H&M? It is going to blow your mind if you have not. This one is lined and padded. I know, shocker, but the fit is also on point. And not just like it fits, but it fits. You know what I'm saying? The ruffles along the front and the back are perfect. Do note, it does have a smidge higher cut. So if you are long torso, this may not be the best option for you. I've just got a regular old torso, so it works totally fine. And I get compliments every time I wear this suit. I have layered these $17.99 linen sweat shorts on top. They are on trend, they are stretchy, comfortable, and chic. They evolved out of the sweatpants that we wore a ton over the last year, and we've seen this trend around a lot lately. But here are some tips when choosing a pair for you. First, look for a lightweight cotton or linen. Even though they're stemming from the sweatpant inspiration, you don't want anything lined or fleece lined because it's too hot. Get a breathable, light fabric. You also want it to hit mid-thigh. Any longer and we're moving into that frumpy zone. And it'll look like you grab your husband's basketball shorts, which is not the look we're going for. I also like a slim fit, not super tight. You want that natural gap between the pants and your leg. Now, you could go baggier if you'd like. Baggier is chic and very in right now, but I do recommend just a nice slim fit. Lastly, I wanted to share this wide brim straw hat from H&M. It's $12.99. It is the perfect flop, the perfect size brim, and it is what I have been grabbing as my go-to hat this summer. This next look is for those expecting or nursing mamas. From past experience, I know that it is hard to look and feel chic with a big old bump. I have been there. I know that those two are like polar opposites, but I promise that this next look is gonna have you feeling comfortable and chic at the same time. Let's start with this maternity suit. It's off Amazon and it's $33. I love the fun animal print, but it also comes in 15 other colors and patterns, from your basics black and navy to lemons and stripes, so there's lots of options. With the wrap style top, it'll also transition you nicely into nursing, allowing some easy access. So this suit serves two purposes. This tunic length cover up is also from Amazon, 26 bucks. It is versatile because you can either leave it open over your suit like I've done here. You could also button it all the way up to make a dress, or throw on some shorts, button up the tunic, and knot it at the top to wear with your shorts. So it's really great for a pool to lunch look. I've also paired this $10 nylon bucket hat to make this look a little bit more trendy and hip. If you don't like bucket hats, then just pretend like I never paired it with it, and you can add your wide brim hat or baseball cap or whatever the heck you want with this look. What is easier than a loose, light maxi dress? This one is $19.99 from H&M. I love the gorgeous ruffle detailing. This dress also comes in white, baby blue. I think there's another color, but it's $20. Next, let's talk about this bag. If Mary Poppins rebranded herself, I'm calling it. This would be her pool bag. It is $34.99 from H&M. We are seeing lots of tassels and woven bags right now throughout the stores, so it's very on trend. It is also very practical because, like I said before, it holds everything. But I do appreciate the little zip pocket on the inside for your keys or your ID. And then with all these solid bright colors, I love the pop of pattern these snake print sandals bring into the mix. These are from Target, they're $19.99, and they have been one of my go-to sandals this year because of how versatile and comfortable they are. All right, y'all, I hope you feel inspired by these pool fashion ideas. And remember, if you have pieces sitting in your closet, don't be shy about mixing them in, even if they're not pool attire. Who cares? If they look cute and they work, wear them. It's just more bang for your buck. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and you can stick around for my next one.